development, dimensions and indicators. Introduction. National development means the overall improvement of a country in terms of its economic growth, social progress, cultural development, and better living standards for all its people. It is not just about money or buildings, it also includes education, health, equality, freedom, and dignity of citizens. In India, national development is guided by constitutional goals such as justice, equality, and dignity for all. Dimensions of national development. National development includes many dimensions that work together to build a strong and healthy nation. 1. Economic development. Growth in income, employment, industries, agriculture, and infrastructure. Aims to reduce poverty, unemployment, and create better living conditions. Example, India. Schemes like PM Awas Yojana, Digital India, Make in India, and Skill India aim to boost the economy and generate jobs. Though, social development focuses on the well-being of people through healthcare, education, equality, and social justice. Includes efforts to remove discrimination, promote gender equality, and ensure welfare of SC, Cent, OBC, and minorities. Example: Midday Meal Scheme, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, and Right to Education support social development in India. 3. Political development. Establishing a stable, democratic, and transparent government. Protects fundamental rights, ensures law and order, and promotes participation of citizens in decision-making. Example: India's Election Commission, Panchayati Raj System, and RTI Act, Right to Information, empower citizens politically. 4. Cultural development. Preserving and promoting India's diverse culture, language, art, and heritage. Encourages unity in diversity, mutual respect, and national integration. Example: Celebration of festivals, protection of historical sites, and government support to classical arts and regional languages. 5. Environmental development. Ensuring sustainable use of natural resources like water, land, and forests. Controlling pollution and protecting the ecological balance for future generations. Example: Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Namami Gange, and solar energy initiatives in India focus on environmental development. 6. Technological development. Use of science and technology for modernization and innovation in agriculture, education, industry, and health. Example: ISRO's space missions, UPI, Unified Payment Interface, digital classrooms, and COVID-19 vaccine development. Indicators of national development. Indicators help us measure how much a country has developed in different areas. Some major indicators are: 1. Gross Domestic Product, GDP. Total value of goods and services produced in a year. Higher GDP means stronger economy. India example: India became the fifth largest economy in the world, 2023. DOT per capita income. Average income per person in a country. Helps understand the standard of living. 3. Human Development Index, HDI. Prepared by the UN, includes life expectancy, literacy rate, per capita income. India's HDI rank 2023 उदास स्माइली around 132 out of 191 countries. 4. Literacy rate. Percentage of people who can read and write. High literacy, better social awareness and job opportunities. India's literacy rate, as per 2021 census approx. 77.7%. 5. Poverty rate measures how many people live below the poverty line. Low poverty, high development. India's poverty reduction has improved due to rural job schemes and food security programs. 6. Life expectancy. Average number of years a person is expected to live. Higher life expectancy means better healthcare and living conditions. 7. Gender Equality Index measures opportunities and rights of women and girls compared to men. Includes education, jobs, and leadership roles. 8. Environmental indicators air and water quality, forest cover, and climate change effects. Helps assess eco-friendly development. Indian concept of development. India follows a holistic model of development based on democracy and constitution, justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. 5-year plans, now Niti Aayog Economic and Social Planning. Gandhian philosophy, development of villages, self-reliance, and respect for nature. Inclusive growth, development for all, especially weaker sections. Sustainable development, balancing progress with environmental care. Challenges to national development in India. Unequal distribution of wealth. Corruption and poor governance. Low education levels in rural areas. Unemployment. Environmental pollution. Caste and gender discrimination. Suggestions for better development. Focus on quality education and skill development. Strengthen healthcare and nutrition. Empower women and youth. Ensure social justice and equality. Promote clean energy and green technology. Encourage transparent governance and people's participation. Conclusion. National development is not just about economic growth, it is about creating a just, equal, and happy society. India must continue to work on all dimensions social, economic, cultural, and environmental to achieve true progress. Every citizen has a role to play in building a developed and inclusive India.